What's up, guys? I got a package in the mail with shoes inside. That's my new intro. I think it's pretty good. You should comment what you think on the video down below. But yeah, I got this package from my sponsor, Addictive Ride. I'll put their Instagram on the screen right now. But yeah, let's unbox this. So let's start unboxing this thing. We have paper that comes with every order you get. We have the order receipt, order form. Here we go, here's some parts. We have a nice pair of Lucky T-Fox Sunset wheels. Look really nice, these are really good wheels. We have the Lucky SCS clamp in black, which is nice. We have a nice extra sheet of Lucky grip tape. Probably put this on in a bit. Feels really smooth, really grippy. We have some nice Lucky aluminum bars. Feel nice and light. We have black Lucky Indie Foot. I'll show you guys all of the stuff out of the boxes after, but nice Lucky Indie Foot. And the bolts in there. Really nice. Bar ends for the bars. We have some nice Lucky Vice grips. I've been needing grips really bad. My other grips that I'm riding right now have been ripping really bad. We have more paper. We have a Lucky Aribo headset. Looks really nice. And then the last thing is we have Lucky Prospect deck. Lucky John Marco Sig deck. Sorry, I read it a bit wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox this stuff and show you guys after I unbox it. This is what we got today. In total, we got the 2 sheets of Lucky grip tape. We actually got 2, which is really sick. We got the clamp, the grips, the wheels, bars and bar ends. We got the Indie Fork headset. We got John Marco Sig deck, and we got all the garbage. Massive shout out to my sponsor, Addictive Ride, for sending me all of this stuff, all these parts. Can't wait to ride them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Tell me if you liked the unboxing. I know I don't usually do these. I don't usually get new parts that often, but yeah, it's really fun. See you in the next video. Comment what you think and go follow Addictive Ride Shop. See ya.